Hello elegant ladies and welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Rafaela and every Tuesday I post videos about elegance, beauty and personal development. So if you want to learn how to become more elegant, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This video will be divided into parts. First, I want to share with you some general rules for having elegant nails, and then I want to show you my favorite nail styles which I think are the most elegant. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Without any further ado, let's get started. Clean nails. The most important rule is to have clean nails. It doesn't matter if you have nail polish on or not, they must always be clean. What that means is not having dirt under your nails, obviously, but also make sure to file them regularly in order to have smooth nails with a beautiful shape. Also, don't forget about your cuticles. I know that some women prefer to cut their cuticles, but I prefer to simply push them back. Cuticles protect both your nails and the skin surrounding them from infection. After cutting your cuticles, it's easier for bacteria to get inside and for you to get an infection. Now, I don't want to scare you. If you like to cut your cuticles, that's fine. Just make sure that you sterilize the tools before doing that. My advice is to soak your nails in warm water before cutting or pushing back your cuticles. This way, the whole process will be a lot easier. I sometimes like to do that after taking a long shower. Length and shape. Another important aspect are the length and the shape of your nails. You can have long or short nails as you prefer, but for long nails, my recommendation is to keep them somewhere between 1 to 5 millimeters long. The longer they are, the more careful you should be when choosing the shape and color of your nails in order to keep the good taste. Also, it's important to keep all your nails at the same length, so if one nail breaks, it's better to file or trim the rest of the nails to the same length. Otherwise, the shorter nail will stand out and it will not look good. Regarding the shape of your nails, I recommend you to choose a more natural one, a round, oval, almond or slightly square. Nowadays, there are so many nail shapes that are very popular, stiletto, coffin, edge, etc. I don't find them elegant at all, especially because they usually imply to have very long nails. I don't want to offend anyone, and that is just my personal opinion. I know that we all have different tastes, but these styles resemble to me to the nails of a witch. Remember, trendy does not mean elegant. Nail color and design. The color and design of the nails can also make or break an elegant manicure. You can choose almost any color that you like, but my advice would be to stay away from flashy, neon, not natural looking colors. The most elegant nail colors, in my opinion, are different shades of nude and red, and there are plenty of shades to choose from. When it comes to the design, the safest option is to choose plain colors with no nail art, glitter, or rhinestones, or I don't know what else people put on their nails nowadays. As a rule of thumb, the simpler the better. No chipped nails. I know that this one is obvious, but I still want to mention it. Try to keep your manicure on point. I have very thin and weak nails which break all the time, and for that reason the nail polish rarely stays on my nails for more than 3 days. And that means I have to do them very often. But I just discovered the secret to long-lasting manicure which changed my entire world, and that is: follow the 3 steps when doing your manicure. Apply base, color, and then top coat. I'm sure this information might not be new for you, as it wasn't for me either, but for some reason I always try to avoid doing that in order to save time on doing my manicure. I was so foolish. Maybe I was saving a few minutes when doing my nails, but what was the point if I had to redo my nails every 2 to 3 days? Now that I started following these 3 steps, my nail polish stays on for at least a week, and that is with doing everyday chores in the house. If you are very busy and doing your manicure even once a week is too much, don't worry, there are some other options available for you, such as either use clear nail polish, which doesn't show when your nails outgrow or are a little bit chipped, or opt for gel or semi-permanent nail polish. Using these techniques, you can maintain your manicure between 2 to 4 weeks, but I don't recommend you to wait up to 4 weeks because your nails grow quite a lot in such a period of time, and outgrown nails are not elegant at all. The disadvantages of these techniques are the fact that it usually requires you to go to a salon and also are more expensive than regular nail polish. Another tip for keeping your manicure in best shape is to wear gloves whenever you do house chores, especially if that implies a lot of water and any type of cleaning solution. Healthy nails. This is a point that I personally struggle with. As I've mentioned before, I have bad calcium assimilation, and because of that my nails break all the time. But I try to overcome this problem by regularly taking vitamins. Other things that help you to have healthy nails are to maintain a healthy diet, and don't forget to drink plenty of water, which by the way also will help you to have beautiful skin and hair. Hydrated hands. And the last point on this list is about your hands. It's not sufficient for you to keep only your manicure neat. You also have to take care of your hands as well. As I've mentioned before, try to wear gloves whenever you do house chores, and also don't forget to regularly apply some hydrating cream on your hands in order to avoid dried skin. Another thing that I wanted to add is regarding jewelry. My recommendation would be to keep it to a minimum. I wouldn't go for more than 1 ring per hand. The only exception would be with the engagement ring and the wedding band, which I prefer to wear together on the same finger, but that is just my personal preference. And just keep in mind, the simpler the better. And we have finally arrived at the second part of this video, where I want to share with you which nail styles I think are the most elegant. Number 1, French manicure. My all-time favorite nail style is the French manicure. I think it makes your nails look very clean and neat. Even though this is my favorite nail style, I rarely use it. Why? Because I find it quite difficult to do this at home. But maybe I just haven't found the right technique yet. Do you have any tips for me? Because I would really want to try to do French manicure at home. Number 2, red nails. My second favorite nail style is a simple manicure with red nail polish. I think we all can agree that red color is a very elegant color by itself. My wardrobe consists mostly of neutral colors, and I find that red nails are that small pop of color that spices up any of my outfits. There is a great variety of shades that you can choose from. Me, I prefer the red classic color. The one that I use right now is from OP, and it's called Big Apple Red. Number 3, nude nails. And my third choice is nude nail polish. I think this is the best everyday option if you don't want your nails to stand out too much. And again, there are so many different shades of nude nail polish available on the market. You just have to find the right one for you. I'm not sure I have found the perfect color for me yet, but I'm pleased with the one that I'm using right now, which is also from OP, and the shade is called Bubble Bath. I will link in the description all the nail products that I'm loving and using right now. So this is it for today's video. What is your favorite nail polish color? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to press the like button, and if you want to learn how to become more elegant, subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. You can also find me on my Instagram page, The Elegant Lady. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.